Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're exploring the world of Italian spirits and uncovering some fascinating facts about one of the most iconic and cherished drinks, grappa. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the rich history and unknown secrets of this traditional Italian spirit. Grappa, derived from the Italian word grappolo, meaning grape, has been a beloved spirit in Italy for centuries. It's made from the pomace, which is the leftover grape skins, seeds, and stems after the winemaking process. But before we delve into the unknown facts, let's quickly understand the basics. Grappa is produced through a process called distillation, where the pomace is fermented and then distilled to create a clear, potent, and aromatic spirit. Alright, now that we have our Grappa 101 covered, let's uncover some intriguing and unknown facts about this beloved Italian drink. Unknown fact number 1. Did you know that grappa has historical roots dating back to the Middle Ages? It was initially used by grape farmers and winemakers as a way to utilize the pomace leftovers efficiently. It was a creative solution that eventually gave birth to this unique spirit we know today. Unknown fact number 2. Grappa is traditionally enjoyed as a digestif after a meal. Italians believe it aids digestion and helps settle the stomach. So, if you're looking for a perfect way to conclude a delicious Italian feast, a glass of grappa is the way to go. Unknown fact number 3. Grappa has geographical indications, similar to wine. The region where the grapes are grown and the production methods used greatly influence the flavor and character of the final product. Each region in Italy has its unique style of grappa, offering a diverse range of flavors for enthusiasts to explore. Alright, folks, those were 3 unknown facts about grappa that make this Italian spirit even more intriguing. Now, let's discuss the best ways to enjoy grappa. Grappa is typically served in a tulip-shaped glass to concentrate its aromas. To truly appreciate its flavors, take small sips and allow the spirit to linger on your palate. Some prefer enjoying it neat, while others enjoy it with a touch of water to mellow the intensity. It's all about finding what suits your taste buds. There you have it, folks, the fascinating world of grappa and the unknown facts that make it such a remarkable drink. It's a true testament to Italy's rich culture and passion for exquisite beverages. That concludes today's video. If you enjoyed learning about grappa and its hidden secrets, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Cheers, everyone, and see you next time.